Hi, I'm Tim Goodfellow for FF News here at Money20 Europe in Amsterdam. And I'm here with Nick Botha from AutoRek. Nick, how are you doing today?
Yeah, very good, thanks. Yeah, it's been an awesome day. Good start to the event here. The AutoRek team is busy, but having a good time. So yeah, very happy to be here.
Yeah, and you're here for the full 3 days?
Absolutely, yeah. We're here for the full 3 days. We've got our stand up and running. So I had some good foot traffic, some really good conversations about what it is that we're doing in the payment sector. So yeah, it's been great.
Great stuff. Yeah, and we'll get onto that in a moment. First, could you give a brief introduction to yourself and your role within AutoRek?
Yeah, fantastic. So I'm the global payment sales manager at AutoRek, and really that role entails, speaking to organizations within the payment sector globally about their operations, about the things that we cover within their operations, understanding their payment flows, where the pain points lie, and finding synergies within their business that AutoRek could potentially help with. Further to that, engaging with the industry, understanding what the need from the industry as a industry-wide perspective is, and communicating that message back to our business so that we're delivering a best-in-class product and a best-in-class service to the clients that we onboard.
Yeah, absolutely. And for those who aren't fully aware, could you just give a brief synopsis of what it is that AutoRek provide and kind of what the value is that you're kind of providing to your customers?
Sure. So AutoRek is a software business. We provide automated reconciliations, data management, and reporting software. I know that's quite a mouthful, but essentially what that does is it helps automate a lot of the pain points in your operational processes around handling your data, whether that be from the digital rails within payments or the card rails, running that through the reconciliation processes, which is quite a pain point for a lot of these clients, whether that be on the processing reconciliation side, whether it be on the settlement reconciliation side. And then the additional benefit that we bring is things like reporting, really intuitive MI within the software, as well as taking care of safeguarding obligations for EMI organizations around the globe.
Yeah, interesting. We've spoken to a number of people about data management and the kind of challenges around consolidating data and that sort of thing. What do you kind of foresee as the future for companies like yourself that are kind of tackling those challenges for financial businesses?
I think that the challenge with data is really lies within the fact that things are changing. The industry is trying to get things standardized with different messaging systems. ISO has been a good example. There's a lot of different payments players that are being introduced into the market. We're thinking of, I've had a couple conversations here at the event so far around Web3 and blockchain. What effect is that going to have on data, and what does that look like for the future of this industry? So there are a number of different challenges. I think the key point from our perspective is that we stay alert to what those are. We use the new technologies that are available to us to help our clients streamline these processes around their data challenges. We have a really good product in terms of the functionality and the features that it provides our clients to be able to handle their data through standardization and enrichment and disaggregation. But ultimately, it's about looking at it as industry-wide perspective, staying on top of things and making sure that we embed those things within our latest versions of our product so that new clients that come on board to AutoRek get to benefit from that, but our existing client base also gets to benefit from that ongoing change.
And another kind of topic that undoubtedly may have come up in your conversations and has come up in ours is AI, and particularly how that relates to data. Is that kind of a technology that you're looking at implementing? Is that something? Does that come up in the products that you have?
Yeah, this is a very interesting topic for us. So AI, absolutely, the technology behind AI, but we have to be very specific in terms of the types of AI that we want to be introducing into our product. The reason for that is because while we're there to automate processes and help with the data challenges, fundamentally AutoRek is a financial data control platform, right? So ultimately we put the power and the control into our clients' hands and into their business. So introducing things like AI, we have to just be very specific in terms of what we introduce. We wouldn't want, for example, like AI taking over. You hear, Elon Musk speaking about things how, AI is going to take over, like ChatGPT, how it's taking over and it's going to, basically completely change the way that people work. Do businesses want that to be happening to their businesses within their financial controls framework around reconciliation and data management? Potentially, but potentially not. So this is something that we continuously discuss with our clients, but it's just making sure that we align automation, new technology with control features as well.
Yeah, great stuff. Yeah, and what's kind of really exciting for you for the future of AutoRek? You know, where are you going? Is there kind of any big releases that you've had recently? Like, could you kind of give us an update on that?
Yeah, so I mean, AutoRek is fast growing. We've been around in the industry for a very long time. However, the scale and growth that we've achieved in the last sort of 2 years is reflective in terms of our product, the product itself, but also in terms of the clients that we are onboarding. I won't mention too many names, but we're working with some really exciting big industry players at the moment, both from a partnership perspective, but also from a client perspective, that are going to be ultimately benefiting from our software. And for me, specifically as a salesperson and a relationship type person, it's just great to see that clients in the industry are benefiting from what we have to offer. So no announcements from an AutoRek perspective, but I just think it's really encouraging and exciting to see the growth that we are experiencing in the last couple of years, and what we expect to happen in the next 2 to 3 years as well.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, well, I'm excited for you. And just finally, we're here at Money2020. What's kind of like the main thing that you're really excited about seeing or doing? Is there something that kind of you've noticed that you kind of want to check out?
So first of all, Money2020 is one of my favorite events. I tell the marketing team every year that as soon as we leave the event, please book this accommodation and please book these stands. So it's a really exciting week for us. And yeah, what I'm excited for, the occasion this week is it's bigger than ever. I'm just shocked at the scale of how this has moved from last year to this year. I don't even think I've covered the whole floor, and I've been walking around the whole day. There's an exciting bar at the back there in the beach lounge. So I think Money2020 have just sort of stepped up the level this year, and I'm just excited to see everything it has to offer.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, indeed. Well, Nick, great to talk to you, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you very much, Tim.